Hey y'all, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. Hey Shugs, my name is Laura and I haven't done a video in a hot minute. Videos make me very anxious. I have anxiety and I just haven't done one in a long time, but today is different. I'm going to do a video. This is going to be an unboxing from Diamond Artisan shop, and I think it's just Diamond Artisan, excuse me. And this was a gift, so I did not actually order this, but this was a gift from a friend, and I wanted to unbox this on the channel and share it with you. So we're going to open this now. Diamond Artisan, I know they had shut down for a little while due to all of the tariff BS that's going on, and now they are open again. So I want to make sure all of you know they are open. So go and check them out. I'm going to have a link to this kit in the description, and go check them out. If you hear my cats in the background, I have 3 cats and 2 of them are fighting right now, of course, whenever I start the video. Okay, so we're going to get into this. How are y'all doing? I've missed you. Okay, so you get a toolkit. We're going to look at that. And, ooh. Okay, now the name of this canvas, I really like, this is a sturdy box. It's got Diamond Artisan on the box, and you have your image on the box as well, but we're not going to show you that. Okay, first things first, I'm going to do this thoroughly and professionally. Okay, anyway, you get a toolkit. Now this is a basic toolkit, but the thing I appreciate about this, tweezers, y'all. I love tweezers. I use them for diamond painting. I use them for pixels. And these are nice heavy duty metal tweezers. Yes. Okay. And then you got your basic diamond painting pen. So any of you that are new to diamond painting, this is a basic just pen. You put your wax or putty in the end, and then your little multi-placer here. This is just a little gripper. So if you have old hands like me, this is helpful. Just your basic diamond painting pen. And then you got some pink wax. Always remember to peel your plastic off the pink wax. Learned that the hard way when I first started. You get some washi tape. And look at this cute little cover minder. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a little mushroom. Oh, love it. And this is just your basic MOSFA white tray that you get with a lot of kits. And then you also do get a thin, it looks like a 7-placer. So just a thin plastic 7-placer. Okay. So that's a really nice toolkit, especially if you're new and don't have a lot of accessories yet. Oh, but you will, Shug. Once you start diamond painting, you will. Believe me. Okay, so this kit is called Spring Afternoon, and the artist is Elora, oh, I'm gonna butcher this, Pautrat. Excuse me, hold on, Sterling. Sorry, my cats are fighting. As I drop everything. Hold on 1 second. Y'all, I haven't done this in a hot minute. So look here. You're going to look at your drills. This is 2 of 2 and 1 of 2. And you get baggies. Don't touch that, Sterling. Okay. Y'all, it's like having kids. It's like, I don't have children of my own. That was a personal choice, and I'm good with it. But having 3 cats, all under the age of 5 is taxing. Okay, well, we'll look at those drills in a minute. Okay, so like I said, this is called Spring Afternoon by Elora Pautrat. I think that's the name of it. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Sorry for the glare. Look at that. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of cats, and this friend of mine knew I was a huge fan of cats and got me this as a gift. Oh my gosh, y'all, these colors. Look at those pretty pinks and greens. Oh, okay, so there are some wrinkles in the plastic. Oh, it's thick plastic, y'all. Oh, that makes me so happy. You just pull it back. I pull it back halfway and then put it back down. That will even out, and then flip it around. do the same thing. And that gets all of the, because the wrinkles are only in the plastic. Okay. Again, sorry for the glare, but you know, doing a video, have to have lights. Okay. So, here we go. We'll get into that in a minute. There's a sticker sheet with it as well. Okay, so this canvas is, it is a 40 by 55 centimeter resin square drill kit. Okay, so here we go. You've got your image right there, and then you've got your key code legend on the left and on the right. Those are all of your pretty colors. 51 colors. And then you've also got, oh, it has the image down on the right key code legend as well. That's nice. Usually it's only on one. And then of course, all of your colors there. At the bottom, you've got Spring Afternoon, the title, and then the artist. And you can go follow the artist on Instagram. That's a really nice touch. That's really nice to promote marketing for the artist. Really nice. I appreciate that. Way to go, Brandy. Okay. Our Diamond Artisan's logo at the top. And then, of course, Diamond Artisan shop and their website. And you can follow them on Instagram. I'll have all these links down below. Okay. So like I said, I did not actually purchase this. However, after receiving this gift, I went on their website and let me tell y'all something. So many beautiful kits. And they're all licensed artwork. They're all, you know, resin drills. Some of them are round, some of them are square. Some of them I think you can choose. I'm really impressed just so far by this and by looking at their website. So we are going to look at this a little bit more closely. So I'm going to zoom y'all in. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can. Okay. Okay, so we're a little bit more zoomed in. Let me do this. Get that glare off just a little. Okay, I do this every time. So it's going to be a little bit darker, but that's all right. So we're going to look at the drills. I'm all over the place. I haven't done a video in so long. Okay, this is the sticker sheet that it comes with. You get the pretty image, so you can put that in your logbook. And then at the bottom, it says Diamond Artisan. So these are all stickers. They are individual stickers that you can peel off. See, individual. And you can put on your containers, baggies, however you want to do it. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at all those pretty pastels and the cat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. You do get baggies. Okay. So these drills are in, they're in the, you know, connected, I call them daisy chain bags. These are in daisy chain bags. Look at those ABs. Look at those pretty pink ABs. So you do have to kit these up. Now, I'm not a fan of kitting up, but I will. So I will kit these up, probably put these in an Elizabeth Ward container. Either that or in a, I call them pill bottle containers. So yeah, but look at those ABs. So yeah, I'm not going to go through every single drill color unless you guys want to see that. If y'all like seeing the drills, please put in the comments down below if you want to see all the drills. But look at all those pretty colors. And again, these are resin square drills. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Look at that bright yellow. Look at that bright yellow. Bright colors make me happy. Make me happy. I'm all about bright colors these days, y'all. Okay, we'll look at the second bag. Just pull them out. Okay. Look at all those pretty colors. Ooh, I'm seeing it. Look at this AB. Oh my gosh. Lord, child. AB 3766. Check that out. Oh yeah. That is gorgeous. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting excited, y'all. I'm getting excited. So I do have a bunch of whips going right now. But I'm in the mind frame of, you know what? What's one more? And this was a gift, so I want to work on this, and we're gonna work on it. So, all right, let me stand up so we can do this a little bit, and I'm gonna have to put this back on. Okay, so we're just gonna look at the canvas up close so you can see the symbols. All the symbols are very, very clear. And we're gonna go down into the aqua. There's going to be some color blocking in that aqua area, which is great. And then there is going to be some confetti, but it looks like it's a healthy mix. Healthy mix. Healthy mix. Yeah, the symbols are really clear. So like if it's a light background symbol, like the background color is a lighter color, the symbol is dark. I really like that. And vice versa. So if it's a darker color, it's got a white background, a white symbol. Look at the kitty. Look at his face. Oh boy. Okay. Let me zoom back out. Y'all, I haven't done this in so long. Like, I haven't done this in so long. Okay, get that glare off a little bit. Okay, so I do like the back. It's like a soft lint canvas, so it is soft. The edges are scalloped, so you're not going to have fraying. And we're going to test out the glue. So if y'all don't like this, just fast forward. Very sticky. It's poured glue. I am excited. I am excited. So down in the comments below, let me know if any of you have purchased from Diamond Artisan Shop. What are your thoughts and what did you purchase? If you're a cat lover like me, you know they have a lot of things on their site that are cat related. So I am excited because I'm going to have to go shopping. But anyway, so yes, this is Spring Afternoon by Elora Pautrat. I think I'm saying that correctly. And if not, I'm so sorry. So yeah. And this does look to me, just for me in my diamond painting experience, this does look to have some hand charting in it. I don't know if it's all hand charted, but it looks like it could be hybrid. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure 100%. I'm sure Brandy, the owner of Diamond Artisan, can confirm that, but it looks like it is because it's just the rendering looks amazing, amazing. So I'm very excited to start working on this. And let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Anyway, I hope all of you have a fabulous week, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye, guys.